face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you.
Hello, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Joy. Today I am making plantain and egg sauce. And before I start, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. So I am using 4 plantains. Today I already washed them clean, and I'm going to peel the plantain, slice them, and then I'm going to season the plantains with some salt. I'm going to heat up oil and I'm going to fry the plantains until they are golden brown, and I'm going to set the plantains aside. I'm using about 5 Roma tomatoes, 1 onion, 2 scotch bonnet peppers, and then I'm going to heat up some oil again, add onions, minced garlic, minced ginger, and I'm going to fry that for like 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add diced tomatoes, scotch bonnet peppers, and I'm going to let that fry for a few minutes. So while that is frying, I'm going to crack about 6 eggs, and I'm going to season that with salt. And I'm going to season with chicken seasoning cube, curry powder, thyme, white pepper, salt, and I'm gonna mix everything together and let it cook for a few minutes. Sardine fish for this recipe, and this is totally optional. You don't have to use that, but I'm using 2 of those, and I'm going to mix everything together and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm gonna go in with the eggs and let it cook until it is well done. Just to garnish this, I am using green onions, and our egg sauce is done. You can enjoy this with your fried plantain, with your yam or potatoes, whatever that works best for you. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this recipe, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video, like, and hit the notification bell on. Until next time, take care.